Welcome to another edition of Legal Remedies. Today I shall discuss about the concept of gratuity. Gratuity is a monetary benefit to be given by the employer to an employee on his retirement or resignation, essentially where the employee has completed a minimum of 5 years in service. The condition of minimum service of 5 years, however, would not apply in the case of death or disablement of the employee. Another important criteria is that it is not available for apprentices. The provisions of gratuity are governed by the Payment of Gratuity Act 1972. According to the Payment of Gratuity Act, any individual working in a factory, mine, oil field, port, railways, plantation, shops and establishments or educational institution having 10 or more employees on any day in the preceding 12 months is entitled to payment of gratuity. Furthermore, once the act becomes applicable to an employer, even if the number of employees goes down below 10, gratuity is still applicable. In terms of the amendment to the Payment of Gratuity Act in 2018, the upper cap prescribed by Section 4, Subsection 3 of the Act was removed and the government was empowered to raise the limit of tax-free gratuity. On 1st of February 2019, therefore, the tax-free gratuity limit was hiked to Rs 30 lakhs in the interim budget, which remains applicable as of today. What is noteworthy is that the government had very recently doubled the tax-free gratuity to Rs 20 lakhs in March 2018 only. इस तरह 1 फरवरी 2019 को भारत के अंतरिम बजट में कर मुक्त ग्रेच्युटी की सीमा को बढ़ाकर 30 लाख रुपए कर दिया गया, जो आज तक लागू है। इसी प्रकार इससे पहले सरकार ने मार्च 2018 में कर मुक्त ग्रेच्युटी को बढ़ाकर 20 लाख रुपए कर दिया था। इस पृष्ठ पर मैंने कर मुक्त ग्रेच्युटी कैलकुलेशन के फॉर्मूले को प्रदर्शित किया है। The second important amendment brought about by the Payment of Gratuity Amendment Act 2018 resulted in enhancement of the maximum maternity leave period to 26 weeks, and that the entire duration of a female employee's maternity leave to be considered while calculating continuous period of service for gratuity payments. पेमेंट ऑफ ग्रेच्युटी अमेंडमेंट एक्ट 2018 द्वारा लाया गया दूसरा महत्वपूर्ण संशोधन है अधिकतम मातृत्व अवकाश की अवधि को बढ़ाकर 26 सप्ताह करना और महिला कर्मचारियों के मातृत्व अवकाश की पूरी अवधि को ग्रेच्युटी भुगतान के लिए सेवा की निरंतर अवधि की गणना करते समय शामिल किया जाना। Please subscribe to the channel to view upcoming discussions of similar nature and kindly leave your comments before you like and share this video so that others interested may have the benefit of the information.